Hey everybody, Rabbi Bill Hamilton here with a Sukkot message. As we find our way just days away from this Thursday night, the first Yortzeit for 1,200 of our beloved men, women, and children from the house of Israel who ruthlessly lost their lives last Simchas Torah. There are two lessons from the Lulav cluster, the four species that we take each Sukkot, that I want us to take particularly personally this year as we approach this first Yortzeit, again, totally different from future Simchas Torahs. Sukkot is the only holiday when the Lulav cluster must belong to each and every one of us. That's not true at Passover, it's not true at Hanukkah, it's not true throughout the rest of the holidays of the year. Sukkot is the only one where we have to own the Lulav cluster. That is, each of us has to take this mitzvah personally, not vicariously. That's the first lesson. The second lesson is that when we bless over the four species, we actually learn that every blessing leads to an action. So we rotate the etrog, pitom, up as soon as we've prayed the blessing. That is, in Judaism, there's no such thing as a passive blessing. All blessings lead to action. I want to take those two lessons to heart now as we think about this first Yortzeit, this Thursday night. I want everyone in our community who is here at KI for Yom Kippur to come back, to be present, to show up. Again, it's not vicarious. You do it the same way we do the Lulav cluster, the same way we celebrate Sukkot. This Thursday night at 6:29, precisely 12 hours after the attack on Israel began at 6:29 a.m. last Simchas Torah, we'll come together for processions that'll be profoundly meaningful. We'll honor the lives lost. We'll focus on the hostages who remain in harmful captivity. We'll talk about those defending our holy land and honor all who are stepping up to do what we need to do in a year that's been enormously painful and in the year we've just begun. And if you're there, you will make sure, along with the rest of us, that not only do blessings lead to actions, but the memories of loved ones can truly be for blessings. Chag Sameach, Am Yisrael Chai.